So after losing at the lottery, what do? Might as well just go to McDonald's. Unfortunately, McDonald's doesn't deliver to me because I'm in a gated community and none of the drivers want to drive through the gated community anymore. So after 3 years, they stopped servicing. So I put the delivery at the front of the gate. And now McDonald's magically appears. Of course, McDonald's now called Vkusno and Tochka, and that means tasty, and that's it. We're tasty and period. All right, let's just go get a couple things to try. Okay, get a couple of their Dobry colas. I'll do one Dobry. Dobry means kind, so it's kind cola. A Lipton, why not? A lemon Lipton iced tea always sounds good. Do a double cheeseburger. And they recently added Big Macs again, but they call it the Big Hit now. Let me see if I can find it real quick. Maybe it's popular. Let's check that real quick. There it is, the Big Hit. Get that one. And let's try some fries. I haven't had fries for a while because once they changed, the fries were pretty bad. I'm going to give them another chance today. It's been months since I've ordered it. So fries, and with the fries, you need the cheese sauce. So in Russian, that's syrny sauce. So we're going to get the cheese and cheese sauce. Getting a little bit more expensive than before. Let's see what we got. All right, that looks good enough. All right, we're going to go ahead and order it. All right, so it should be here in 30 to 40 minutes. I'll clean up the mess from the lotto, and then we'll go on and check it out. The delivery driver literally just 5 seconds after I paused this delivered on the screen next to the location. So this should be even faster than expected. That's always good. One of the cats is ready. She wants to be pet. She likes being pet. Bengal cat, at least that's what they told me when I bought her. My kids have allergies. Well, my son does, so I had to get one that was a little bit friendly. Allergy friendly. She and her sister love the McDonald's bag, so they're waiting for those to come. Our dog's ready. She always likes to go outside. That's our little Yorkshire Terrier. It's called Celia. She's ready to go, as usual. Celia's ready to go. Celia's ready to go. Yes, sir. You ready to go? Let's go. Let's go. No, what's that? Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Come on, Sil. Yeah, you ready? Let's go. Let's go. All right, we're waiting for the elevator. Or as they call it in Russian, just like they do in England, they call it a lift. There's some Russian language for you to lift. Ready, Celia? You ready? She always likes going outside. Mom's not home, so she thinks maybe we're going to meet Mom, but we're actually doing something better. Going to meet McDonald's. She knows where to go. Let's go. Yeah, it's a little cloudy now, so it's not as nice as before, but actually it's not hot now, so that's good. And Celia's off to the races. Celia, this way. Celia. Let's go this way. Kind of a long walk. So we got to get a little bit of a head start. Got my skeeters. A few of them still left in Russia. We're actually going to try to get some things imported here. Some jeans and things like that. But yeah, this is the subdivision we live in. It's about, I don't know, about half an hour from Moscow. It's almost considered Moscow. It's so close. I don't know why people like to record their feet walking, but might as well do. That's what people like. Her little feet go very fast. Let's go, Sil. Good dog. She's about 10 years old, actually, so she's getting old. I think still got quite a few years left, though. Still vibrant. Here's where a lot of Russians drive. Mini Coopers, Audis, what's that called? Mitsubishi or Infiniti, whatever. Volvo, Kia, Mercedes. Big rock here. Show you the playground and around the property some other time. Now this is what life is out near Moscow. We got these new properties that were built too. I think that's like Swiss style or something. Back to walking. It's like a good 5-minute walk. Good for the exercise. Let's go ahead and check on our order real quick. Celia. Celia's trying to be friendly and ran right in the middle of the road. In front of a car. I had to stop them. I like these big rocks. Those are kind of cool. And those are like a yard and a half. So, Ford Ozone van. We almost bought this place here on the bottom of the first floor. It's got a nice terrace. But you know what they say, beggars can't be choosers, and the price went up like $30,000 in just a couple days. So I said, screw that. We're getting close to the entrance, so that's good. Here we're going to build something, shopping plaza or something like that. More. These cars that the Russians like to drive, a Mazda, BMW. Let's just keep walking. Got to keep going for that food. It's our little guard shed. Trying to open the gates. Let McDonald's in. though. Toyota truck. Excavator working. Actually, we're meeting one of our neighbors here later. Help them with their English. Gotta help teach their kids English. Waiting for McDonald's, yeah. Sitting and waiting. Celia, he's coming. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. He's coming. Let's go. Let's go. Celia, stop. Celia. Stop. Sit. Sit. Sit down. Say this, Celia. Say this. Say this. The rest of you. Celia. Спасибо. Dog does when she gets this black carpet. She doesn't like the texture of this. It's like to clean boots off and stuff, so it's kind of like a toothbrush. Come on, Sal. She actually walks around it. And she knows where home is. She knows where home is. Alright, there's our colas. 2 kind colas. Cat's here to check everything out, back to make her happy. Thinking about going in it. Looks like she wants to play with these threads here for the... Oh, she doesn't want to go in this time. Maybe later. Alright, let's see what we got here. We got some napkins. The Heinz Cheese sauce. That's going to be the big hit. Big hit. Or as we call it, the Big Mac. Here's the fries. And got the Dwa cheeseburger. Other known as a double cheeseburger. Let's open that and see what it looks like. Looks pretty good. Looks alright. Now we'll be doing the taste testing in a second. Alright, we're going to start with the fries first. Those look like. Of course, in the sauce, it's got to be good. And the sauce is good. Try a couple without the sauce. Gotta eat the fries first, or they're never good. I'd give the fries a 5 or 6 out of 10. They're far from what they were. Let's try out this bad boy. The Big Heat, or the Big Mac, as we would call it, the Big Hit. That's pretty good. I'd give it 8.5 out of 10. Sauce is slightly different than before, but it's close enough. Or they didn't even have one. And we have the double cheeseburger. That's all right. I'd give it a 6.5 or a 7. The double cheeseburger is hit or miss. And the cola, if it's done right, it's usually pretty good. Yeah, it's good. I give it the cola a 9.5. It's better than most colas or Pepsis, in my opinion. Hope you enjoyed it. Going to KFC, Domino's, Papa John's, and some of those other things next. Have a good one, guys. And you can get all this in Russia. Had to do that, sorry.